National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, 20 nautical miles. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, 20 to 60 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to Suwannee River, Florida, 20 nautical miles. Waters from Tarpon Springs to Suwannee River, Florida, 20 to 60 nautical miles, including Anclote, Arpica, Bayport, Clearwater Beach, Dunedin, Indian Rocks Beach, Johns Pass, Azello, Port Richey, St. Pete Beach and Tarpon Springs, until 3 p.m. At 1:24 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of thunderstorms, producing strong winds 34 knots, or greater from 48 nautical miles west of Anclote to 85 nautical miles west of Indian Rocks Beach, moving northeast at 45 knots. Mariners can expect strong winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately. This hazardous weather outlook is for west central and southwest Florida. Day 1, today and tonight. Thunderstorm impact, a developing surface low in the northeastern Gulf.